Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find sound and vibration, which is right here. And now let's scroll down again in order to find the ringtone section, and here in this section we can change the ringtone for calls. This is the first option, and also for the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone for calls. And after tapping on it, as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, here we've got the custom option, so we can select it from files. So after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own music, for example downloaded from the internet, and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. What's more, here you've got the vibration, so you can just customize the vibration which you will feel. So let me pick something from the system ringtones. All you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So let me pick it, and unfortunately I've got the device muted, so let me volume it up. And as you can hear, actually you can listen to the particular ringtones, just check all of them. You will also be able to feel the vibrations. I mean, trust me, I'm feeling the vibrations right now. So all you have to do in order to set the ringtone is to simply make sure that the one you'd like to use is marked, just like here, and get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call, and it will work the same with the notifications. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it. Here you've got some options to choose. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.